Hi guys, so I'm going to take a picture of my cat Stark, one of my favorite cats, and Kali. I also like Kal and Stark. This has a smaller eye because I think Jen is smoking or something. Well, only me see the incident. Just wait, Granny. Look. He's cute. He's very cute. Oh, I'm so Kali. So I'm going to make another video. Bye.
Agay. Ayaw ba? No. Lapan yung itlog. Kali, pupo.
Ako, wala takon. Hi. Dungha.
Your eyes is getting heavy. Your eyes is
Naistorbo siya
getting
sa
heavy.
saba. Na, very good. Exercise na ni mo start. Ano ni siya ba?
Kapoy na.
Napulan kayo.
Sige, kapoy na ko ah. Wala na.
Start!